Right. Good morning, friends. So today we are going to have a first demo on MSBI. The full form of MSBI is Microsoft Business Intelligence. Before we have a deep dive into Microsoft Business Intelligence, I would like to ask a question. What is business intelligence? What is business intelligence? And I have another question. What is the outcome of the business intelligence? What exactly you want to achieve with that? Outcome of business intelligence. I have these two questions. Friends, listen. You people decided to go ahead and set your roadmap towards business intelligence stream. If someone asks you, your friend or brother or sister, right? Someone asks you, you should be in a position to answer the question, right? So let us start with the business intelligence and then we can proceed with the MSBI. Okay, right. What is business intelligence? I'm expecting answers from you guys. It can be wrong or right. It doesn't matter. Try to make it more interactive. I want to see the people participation. Please, not only today, end of the session as well. End of the course, I mean to say. Please. Would you like to answer for the first question, guys? Anyone, online or offline? Okay.
Developing business or improving business.
It involves business like data mining and business analytics.
Exactly. Very nice. Any other one? Any other one to try out? Okay, fine, sir. Sir, I'm going to start with that. I need MS Paint because we are all connecting from different corners of the globe. So I can't make use of the board now. So this is our whiteboard. Usually we call it as a blackboard, but we have to call it as whiteboard now. Okay, sir, I'm going to start with the business intelligence. Okay, fine then. Sir, assume that we have multiple branches. Vinay Technology is having multiple branches. This is my Hyderabad branch, and this is my Bangalore branch, and this is my Chennai branch. Totally, we have 3 branches in India, sir. Now, being a business user, we maintain our business data. For example, what kind of data we maintain in our institute? Student details, their fee details, courses details that we offer, and brochures details that we offer for each course, and faculty details, my receptionist details. You tell me, what are the best places where exactly we store our business data? What are the storage areas that we have?
Database.
So file systems and databases. Yes, sir. File systems means, as you said, predominantly we use Excel. Most of the business users uses Excel. Most of the non-technical business users uses Excel. Next, XML, extensible markup language. Flat files. It can be .txt or .csv, comma, separated values, and raw files as raw file. Okay. And the databases means, guys, SQL Server, Oracle, Teradata, MySQL, DB2, so many databases we have. Cassandra, right? NoSQL, we have so many things. So now all my Hyderabad branch details are in my Excel. All my Bangalore branch details are in Teradata. All my Chennai branch details are in my DB2. DB2 is also a database from IBM. Okay, sir, we have 3 branches. Each branch has been maintaining their own specific data in 3 different systems. One is file system, remaining 2 are databases. Right. Sir, let's move on to Notepad and right. Sir, Infi generated 35% revenue for Q4 2022. Only clear, right? And then, guys, if you feel that I'm going faster, just let me know. Don't hesitate to tell me, right? I can stop it. I can reduce my speed at any point of time. Please. Okay, right. TCS was able to generate 45% revenue. You tell me now, guys, this 35%, 45% has been generated from only Hyderabad or else across globe, all the branches, all the branches. So can we say this is our branch-wise sales details or else all branches consolidated data? Consolidated data. I would like to have the same thing. I'm least bothered individual branch information, right? So I would like to know what is the total revenue generation from all the branches for quarter 4 2022, right? See, but you have in different systems, you have the data in different systems. So you can't prepare the report now. You can't get this kind of report now because you have the data in a different structures. Yes, one is Excel, another one is Teradata, another one is or DB2 each day. So in that case, I am going
Sir,
to
excuse me, sir.
HDMR. Hyderabad has its own branch manager.
Hello.
I can expect
Excuse
one.
me, sir.
Bangalore has its own branch manager. I can expect another report. And here we have one more branch manager. How many reports can generate? 3 reports. I don't have time to analyze 3 different reports. Right, sir? Since you have 3 branches, you have generated 3 reports. If you have 10 branches, would you like to generate 10 reports? I have no time to analyze 10 different reports. I need a consolidated report. That should give what is the total revenue that has been generated for quarter 3 2022. Am I clear? Yes. So for that purpose, friends, I'm going to configure a server where you need to load the data into that particular server. Okay. This is my server, sir, which I'm configuring now. And it's been configured with the SQL Server. SQL Server. Here we have a database called Enterprise DB, Enterprise Database, where it stores the data which is coming from multiple places. Right. Sir, I'm traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore, sir. What is my source and what is my destination? I'm traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore. What is my source and what is my destination? Hey guys, source is Hyderabad, destination is Bangalore. Yes? See, in the same way, what do you mean by source, Andy? What do you mean by source? In travel terminology, source is a point from where you start your journey, right? In other terminology, source is a point from where the driver picks you, right? Being a driver, I'll start the bus from BHL. I picked a few passengers. Miapur, I picked a few passengers. Kukatpalli, LB Nagar, Dilshuk Nagar, and then Vanasthalipuram, right? I picked all the passengers from different locations and I will be dropping them to one location called Bangalore. Yes or no? So, being a driver, I'm trying to picking the passengers from multiple locations to one destination. Yes or no? In the same way, being a driver who drives the data from multiple sources into one destination. Am I clear, guys? But here sources are different. So now these are my source system summa. And this is my destination or target system. Any questions, Amma? Any questions online, guys? Right. Sir, how many sources we have? 3. Source 1 is in the format of Excel. Source 2, Teradata. Source 3, DB2. And what is the destination? SQL Server. Sources are different and destination is different. No source is synchronizing with the destination system. Yes or no? No source is synchronizing with the destination system. Sources are different, destination is different. So you can't directly load the data from sources to multiple sources to one destination. You can't do that. Yes, guys. So you right. So now I need a junction where I can collate everything in one place. Right? That's where exactly online guys are able to understand, Amma. Do you have any questions before we get into the next point?
No,
Do you have any
No,
questions,
sir.
guys?
No, sir, it's understandable.
No.
Okay. I can see only 6 email IDs out of 9. Okay. Now see, sir, I'm reading the data from the source one to this transformation area. Reading the data, getting the data from source 2 to transformation area. Reading the data from source 3 to transformation area. This is my transformation area, or else staging or transformation area. And what we do over here? What exactly we do over here? Here we do some operations. Previously, he was saying some statement called irregular data. Unformatted data is nothing but, right? Unstructured data, what we call it as. We have 3 types of data: structured, semi-structured, unstructured. This is completely semi and unstructured, right? So you take this data, raw data, what we call it as. You read the data from multiple sources. You take the data from multiple sources. You get the data from multiple sources. You combine it over here. Combined data will be loading into the destination system. This is your total end-to-end data integration process. What we call it as data integration. Or else we also call it as ETL. Full form, please. Full form, please. Extraction, transformation, and loading. ఏమ్మా మీరందరూ ఏమన్నా మౌనవ్రతం చేస్తున్నారమ్మా ఈరోజు లేదుగా ప్లీజ్ టాక్ టు మీ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ దెన్ టాక్ టు మీ అమ్మా and provide your email IDs, right? This I'm asking for a cause. I'm not going to bother you guys, please. I just want to share the recording session, nothing else. Right. Now see, Amma, friends, here we have 5,000 records a day, right? Here we have 7,000 records, right? And here we have 3,000 records. Totally, if I perform data integration, you will be having 15,000 records. This is our enterprise level. Yes, Amma? Right? Okay. First, let me define data integration. Integration. What do you mean by integration? Combining. What do you want to combine? People? No, data. Sir, I would like to combine the data which is coming from multiple and different sources into one destination system. Are you clear with the definition of data integration? Yes? Next one, ETL.
Yes.
Okay, guys, from source, what you are trying to do? Reading or writing? From source, what you are trying to do? Reading or writing? Reading. From
Reading.
source, you are trying to getting the data or setting the data?
Getting the data.
Getting the data. From source, you are trying to pulling the data or pushing the data? Pulling. So you are trying to reading, getting, and pulling. Instead of using a normal layman language, I would like to use a proper technical term called extraction. Extraction. Sir, what is its equivalent operation? Sequence. Extraction means reading or writing? Reading. How do you read the data? Which SQL statement helps you in reading the data from a table?
Select.
Which SQL statement helps you in reading the data from the table?
Select.
My dear friends, select statement. Yeah, in source, we always select statement. Guys, in source, we always use select statement. Source never allows you to insert, update, delete, or any other statement. It doesn't accept. It accepts only select statement. Am I clear, Andy? Right? Online guys, are you clear on this statement?
Yes, sir.
So here we use select
Yes.
statement. Now, your extraction process is done. Right. Sir, once you extract the data, extracted business data is a raw data. You need to apply some operations to convert from unstructured to fully structured, right? So, extracted business data must be processed by using transformations. By using transformations. Yes, Amma? That either is, and we call it as a transformation area or else a staging area. Emma? Fine. Now it is fully formatted data. Fully formatted data must be loaded into the destination system. Loading. Sir, extraction means selection. But how about loading there? Loading, what is its equivalent operation in SQL? Loading. Load the data into a table. Hey, come on. Insert. Sometimes update. Sometimes delete as well. I'll show you. When do we go with insert? When do we go with the update? When do we go with the delete? Everybody? Right? Okay. Right. 1 second, guys. Okay. Krantisri came from US to India. After 5 years, she landed in India, right? Okay. Krantisri, listen, Amma, for everyone, right? So when you land in India, you don't have any SIM card which belongs to India then. So now, initially, when you visit us, being a support guy, madam, do you have like a prescription, like a subscription with our Vodafone? You said no, right? You will say definitely say no. Then initially, I will be asking you to fill the form. When you fill the form, I will be inserting all your records into my Vodafone database because your record is not existing. Next month, when you pay the bill, do I need to insert or update? Do I need to insert or update?
Update.
Update.
Every month, you don't require to insert and update. Everybody clear? So check the existency of the record. If the record is existing, then that's what we discussed in our previous session for one of the batch. And see that now? Oh, see that now? If employee number is existing, okay, first one. If employee number is not existing between source and destination, S means source, D means destination. Then insert unmatched records into destination table. We call this as initial loading or full loading. Only clear? No, both are same. Initial or full load. Okay.
Excuse me.
If the record is existing, okay. Now, Krantisri, you okay? Fine. Let's take other guy. Other guy. Okay. Rahul is joined as a bachelor in my team. Now, still yesterday evening, he was a bachelor. Now, last night he got married. He updated his record from single to married. So do I need to insert his record or update his record? Update. So you got it right. When do we go with the insert and when do we go with the update operation?
Yes.
Online guys, Rahul, at least you can answer me, Amma.
Yes.
Online guys are like, guys,
Hello?
please. Am I audible?
You're going
Am I
bit
talking on mute or
fast.
something?
Hello.
Are we guys
Alright.
audible, Balaji? Because I think you're unable
Okay.
to get our point.
No, I'm not. Okay, fine then. Okay, fine. Let's move on. So, friends, this is our ETL process. Any questions, Amma?
No, sir, it's clear.
Online guys, shall I move ahead now?
So is there
Yeah,
any
yes,
tool
sir.
Is there
Okay.
any tool we are using to transform
Sir,
the
once you
data?
have the data here,
Hello?
this consolidated data can be used for our data visualization purpose. Sir, data visualization. Yes. I would like to go ahead with this rectangle. Emma? Okay. Okay. Fine. Sir, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Graph only. Yeah. Oh, okay. Rahul, you raised your hand. Is it intentional or else by default? Like it was default. Rahul, do you have any questions?
We are able to speak, but you
You are
not
talking,
hearing.
but I can't hear you, my dear.
I think it's a defect
I
from.
can't hear you.
I think you're facing some issue from your end.
Okay, you can type your question here. Not an issue.
Okay.
I think you are not visible. No, no, we are talking. Oh, is it? No, dear, it's. Oh, okay, okay, fine. And then, okay, you are able to hear me, right? Okay, fine. Yes, okay, fine, sir. Fine, fine, fine. Yes, yes, yes. Sir, I see very less email IDs, right? Please share them. Right. Okay, fine. Rahul, you was asking a question. Yes, we can hear you. Okay, Nikhil. Sure, sure. Okay, sir, listen now. Sir, you generated a report. What is the source for the report? From where you got the data? That is from your consolidated data. That is from your consolidated data. Okay, right. For example, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Okay. Sir, Q1, Q2, and Q3, and this is Q4. That this is my 2020, or else 2021 else. 2020, let's go with the 2020, Vision 2020, right? And here I want to place revenue. On y-axis we have revenue, on x-axis we have quarter-wise data of 2020, right? Sir, first quarter revenue was too good because there was no impact of COVID, right? Actual lockdown started from April 27th, I guess. March 27th, 2020, right? Okay, that is the end of first quarter, right? So then, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, the revenue has been generated very less. In the fourth quarter, it becomes zero. What I am trying to do now? I am trying to analyzing my own business data. But the next activity is our analysis. Our next activity is our analysis. Okay, right. So this is your data and visualization, or else report design. Report design, and this is my, okay, 1 second. This is my data analysis. Okay, then, okay. I have analyzed the data, all right? So totally see here, sir. I'm going back now. Sir, you have the raw data. This data is entered by non-technical guys, business users, right? MLOs. I closely work with MLOs, mortgage loan officers, right? Who directly deals with the customers in US, right? And then, so this is the raw data. See, for example, being a technical guy, you insert the data into a database. Being a non-technical guy, my Bhavani, my receptionist Bhavani, insert the data into an Excel. Which is more quality? Which data is more quality? the one which you deal, because you are a technical guy. You know how to deal the data. You know how best you can maintain the data in a quality manner. But she is from business orientation, right? So now, this is the business data, which is the raw data. Extract the business data from one or more source systems. Apply some transformations which you can convert from unstructured to fully structured. Fully structured data will be loading into the destination system. Use this is our data integration or else ETL process. Use this consolidated data for our data visualization. Hand over this report to our business analytics team. They start analyzing the data. This is our BI. So BI means a set of activities. What kind of activities involved in BI? Data integration
SQL.
or else ETL process. ETL full form: extraction, transformation, and loading. Emma, next one. Report data or else data visualization. Report design. Next one, data analysis. These three are the core activities that we perform in any BI, in any BI. Thank you so much. You explained it before that. Okay, guys, clear, Amma? Online guys, clear, Amma? Online guys.
Are we audible, Balaji? Because in mid of the session,
Okay,
few guys
fine,
have.
fine. Hi, Balaji, can you hear what we are speaking? No, Satish, I can't hear you somehow. I don't know what happened to my system. I think I need to restart it. I think I need to restart the machine. I don't know what happened. You can type your question here, Amma. You can type here. You can type your question in the chat window. I'm happy to answer that. Someone typed it, both. It is unstructured or semi-structured. It can be both, Amma. Jay. It can be both. It can be both. It can be both. Yes. What is the tool that we using here? Yeah, I'll explain it. I'll explain it. I'll explain it, Kanti. I'll explain it. Yeah. Right. Yeah, sure. Right. Sir, observe here. Next one. Sir, this is our total BIM, right? So I'm going to talk about this one. So this is our total BI part. So business intelligence. Intelligence architecture. Yeah, sure, Andy. No, not an issue. Right. You want me to come? Sorry, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I'm extremely sorry. Right. So this is our business intelligence architecture, right? So now, guys, listen. Sir, what is the outcome of the business intelligence? We need to answer that, right? What do you want to achieve with that? Why companies and clients are so enthusiastic and putting a lot of amount and time towards the implementation of business intelligence? Why? 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 Analysis. Yes. Yes. See here, sir. See here. Sir, for data analysis. Sir, you analyze the data, right? What is the reason for the, what is the reason why my revenue for Q4 becomes 0? Because of the lockdown. So now that is whatever analysis. So based on the data analysis, you can take a better decision basically, right? For example, Jay got 25,000 rupees outstanding bill amount and from Airtel. From Airtel, he got 25,000 rupees bill amount. Jay, would you like to pay the bill amount or else you want to do some analysis? You can't pay the 25,000 rupees phone bill, right? You just
Hello.
open the bill. Bill is nothing but the report.
మేము MSBI
Try
క్లాస్
to
లో
analyze the
ఉన్నామండి
target
సార్
part.
వాయిస్ మా ఎవరికి
Right. Based on the analysis results, he got to know his fiancée sits in UK and he used to call her and conversation has been going for long hours because of ISD calls. He got 25,000 rupees. That is the analysis. But his salary is 50,000 and his outstanding amount is 25,000. There is no saving amount for this month. So you take a decision to reduce the bill amount from next month onwards. How do you reduce the bill amount? Two solutions. Number one, you call to call center and make the IST facility enable on your SIM card, or else try to talk less number of hours. Automatically your bill amount will be reduced. Jay, I'm just taking your name, right? For an example, don't feel bad. Business growth, yes, right? So after analysis, you will be in a better position to take a better decision. So this the main purpose of BI is a decision making. That's the reason we call this total system as decision making system, simply DMS or DSS, decision supporting system. The main purpose of this one is, right? Are we clear? And oh, no? Okay. Okay, sure.
Bye.
Sure. Yeah, guys, you're not. Am I clear? And
Data.
yes, guys, please, if you are not talking, please go on mute, Amma. Please. Thank you. Right. If I start the session, I never think of anything and so please, I fully concentrate on session and no more diversions. Okay, are you clear on these two questions, Andy? Are you clear? Right. Okay. Next one. Now let us go to MSBI. Yes, Jay. Thank you. Now MSBI tools. Kranti, I'm coming back to your question, Andy. Now this is the time to answer your question. Right. MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence, right? Tools. What are MSBI tools? SSIS. SQL Server Integration Services. The name itself clearly states that integration. Now tell me, being a ETL tool, being a integration tool, being a BI tool, top level, SSIS is a BI tool from Microsoft Corporation. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Being a BI tool, where exactly it can fit into this total architecture? What activities can be achieved by using MSBI? What activities can be achieved by using MSBI? Integration. Data integration activities can be achieved by using MSBI. So, sorry, SSIS. So, SSIS is a data integration tool or an ETL tool. This is data integration tool or SSIS is data integration tool or ETL tool. Right. So let me write it here. integration or else ETL tool, right? What are the other ETL tools available in the market? Guys, phone means only iPhone. No, we have so many phones available in the market, right? So Informatica is one of the ETL tool. Data stage, ab initio, OD, ODI, PODS, right? And then Alteryx, Talent, Pentaho, Snowflake. So many ETL tools available in the market. Emma, right. Next one, SSRS. SQL Server Reporting Services. The main purpose of this one is to generate the reports. Emma, so this part can be achieved by using SSRS. Next one. What is the next tool, sir? SSAS. SQL Server Analysis Services. Emma, so this portion can be achieved by using SSAS. SSAS. Yes, thank you, Pawan. Yes, you are right. Yes. Now, sir, tell me now. Now tell me. Sir, by using SSIS, you can perform the ETL and data integration activities.
Yes.
By using SSRS, you can perform the data visualization. By using SSIS, you can perform the data analysis in multi-dimensional model or else tabular model. Multi-dimensional model uses MDX script and tabular model uses DAX scripts, data analysis expressions. Don't worry, I don't want to make you confused, Amma. I'm just giving an information, nothing else, please. Okay, right. Sir, since you are in a position to perform ETL activities by using MSBI tool SSIS, you are in a position to perform. You are in a position to perform reports, right? You are in a position to design the reports by using MSBI tool called SSRS. You are in a position to perform data analysis activities by using MSBI tool called SSAS. Sir, initially we called it as business intelligence architecture, right? Business intelligence architecture. But you are in a position to perform all BI activities by using MSBI tools. Can we say this is my Microsoft business intelligence? Can we say this is our Microsoft business intelligence? Yes or no? MSBI architecture. Are we good, guys? Are we good, Amma? Are we good, Amma? Yes. Okay. 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 Right. So this is our total MSBI architecture. Now see, sir. Now see. Sir, these are the ETL tools from different vendors. Informatica from Informatica, Data Stage from IBM, Ab initio from Ab initio, BOD and BODS, both are from SAP. ODI, Oracle Data Integrator from Oracle Corporation, Alteryx from Alteryx.com, Talent from Talent.com, Pentaho from Pentaho.com, Snowflake from Snowflake.com. All right. What are the other reporting cum analysis tools available in the market? Along with these two, W, ClickView, OBIE, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, right? And then, come on, what else we have? MicroStrategy, Cognos. One of our friend was saying something. Yeah, Tableau, I have mentioned, Satish. I mentioned that. And Jasper reports, TIBCO Spotfire, right? We have so many Power BI, right? We have so many tools available in the market. Yes, dear, Teradata reports. Yes, we have so many reports. Now tell me, sir, there is a reason to mention the other tools available over here. Okay, I'm definitely expecting a question from you. Sir, even though you have these many tools available in the market, why should I go ahead and set my roadmap towards business intelligence MSBI streams? Simply, even though we have these many things, why MSBI? Why MSBI? Are we good enough? That is what my question is. Am I clear? Right. I'll explain that. Easy to understand and perform the operations. Why MSBI? It is used for all the ones. Yes. Right, Pawan. Yes, right, Amma. Sir, in my account, in my company, we have a BI project running. BI means ETL, reporting come analysis, and you need a server. You need a server to maintain the consolidated data. You need a server to maintain the consolidated data. Yes, Amma? Right. Sir, I am not aware of MSBI. I know other legacy tools. Okay. For ETL purpose, I have purchased Informatica. Informatica cost is too high, Andy. Too high. Even though it's a old and a legacy tool, it's costlier when compared with other tools. Okay, right. 1/4 of my bank amount is gone just to purchase Informatica tool. For reporting come analysis, I would like to go for Tableau reporting tool. Right? Tableau is easy and it's costly again. Sir, almost half of the bank amount is gone just to purchase the tools. And the best combo is Oracle rack server. Clear? So now see, 3/4 of my bank amount is gone. Now, sir, infrastructure is ready. Who will operate them? You need to recruit the associates. Two for this one, 2 resources.
Satish, be on mute.
Resources means employees and one for this one is Oracle DB. My bank balance is 0 now. Right? Because you have to purchase everything. It's really bad. Now, one of my friends told me, hey, why don't you try the MSBI? Sir, in MSBI, what is first 2A stands for? What is first 2A stands for? SQL Server. So MSBI is a built-in component of your server. So when you purchase SQL Server, MSBI is free of cost. You don't require to purchase it as a separate component. It's free of cost. So when you purchase server, SQL Server, these 3 tools are for free of cost. You don't require to purchase them as a separate component. Simple, Amma. See, when I purchase Sony TV 55 inches, installation is free, right? Tata Sky dish is free, and 1 year South Pack is free. It's good, right? When I purchase SQL Server, all SSIS, SSRS, and SSIS tools are for free of cost. Am I clear? Right? So that way, so it's a cost effective, cheap in cost. Cost effective. What else? What else? Okay. Sir, people says that MSBI is a cost effective. Cost effective. How about the performance? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి కట్నం తీసుకోకుండా పెళ్లి చేసుకుంటే ఏమన్నా లోపమేమో ఇన్ని డైలాగులు వస్తుంటాయి కదా. సో ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ఇఫ్ యూ పర్చేస్ MSBI with free of cost, how about the performance? Sir, MSBI performance is more than effective than other tools అంటే very good performance. Okay. How about the security? Because I deal with NPI, non-private information, client information, right? How about the security data? I have credit card information. Then, sir, every tool has its own security settings. SSIS has its own security settings. SSRS has its own security settings. SSAS has its own security settings. SQL Server has its own security settings. So, security. One of our friend was saying something. Yes, easy to understand and user friendly. Yes. Next point is user friendly. Very easy to use. User friendly. Right? Because of all these four, MSBI is still on top of all other BI tools. And moreover, it's a bundle. You don't require to purchase individual products, right? When you purchase server, ETL, reporting, analysis, everything will fall under one shelter called SQL Server. It's a package. It's a package of all tools, BI tools, not all tools, all BI tools. Clear? This is how we convince the client to get the project, because I'm part of the client interactions, right? So this is how we convince the client. So you give me the project. So this is the budget which we are offering, right? And these are all the tools which we are going to use. And you don't require to pay any purchase any tools. So once you purchase the SQL Server, SSIS, RS, and AS will be free of cost. So it could be very less cost, right? So it's going to be a cost effective. So that is how we convince the thing. How about the security? Cost effective means immediately they will ask me a question. Hey, how about the security? Because I work for bank. It has its own security settings. You don't require to, you don't need to worry about it. Right. Guys, clear, Amma? Now got it? Why MSBI? Because of these reasons. Right? MSBI is still on top. I started my career on MSBI. That was in the year of 2006 and mid of 2006. It's been more than 16 years. I started my career. That was in the year of July 6th, 2004. 2004 to 6, I was into embedded VC++, EVC++, Pocket PC applications. Right. That works on Windows CE 3.0 Compact Edition. Right. Okay. So any other questions, Aman? Online and offline? Yes, Power BI is a completely different tool, and SQL Server is a completely different. SQL Server is a database. Power BI is a tool where you can visualize the data with minimal data massage, like data cleansing, data aggregation, data scrubbing, all these operations. It's a purely data visualization tool, self-service data visualization. Yeah, Tableau, yes. That's what I mentioned here. Tableau, Power BI, I mentioned both the things out. Single person can use every tool. Yes, sir. That is why we call it as a MSBI developer. People never call us SSIS developer or SSRS developer. Only Capgemini calls us SSIS developer, SSRS developer. Yes, only Capgemini calls us. I was there for 6 years. Sunday. Yes, Jay. Are we good now? Yes. Are we good now? Any other questions, someone? How about the opportunities? Yes. Jay Simha. Yes, so super powerful name. Yes. Opportunities are very, very good, Andy. Still, I'm getting opportunities, Andy. I have updated my resume 2.5 years back. I'm still getting the opportunities for architecture positions, senior architecture, or solution architecture positions. Right. So opportunities are very, very good when compared with other tools. Opportunities are very, very good, not good. But what I would recommend you to go over here is only MSBI is not working properly, right? So MSBI with the Power BI is the best combo. Best combo. You can expect more number of calls. 1 second, guys. I'm not marketing myself, and right? Okay, 1 second. I'll tell you. I'll tell you that. Do we require any other extension language? Not required, Kranti. Not required to have anything. Job searching. SQL is only the part. SQL. SQL is only the part. SQL, Kranti and others, please listen. Outside people are saying SQL is not mandatory for MSBI. But being a well-experienced person, I'm saying SQL is very much mandatory. SQL is very much mandatory. SQL is very much mandatory. Don't, don't listen them. Try to listen a friend or else a brother or a sister who suggested you to go for MSBI. Okay, please. It is going towards. SQL Server is part of our course or separate. It's a separate, sir. It's a separate course. But I will be explaining few things and can we get job as a fresher? Yes. Yes. We can get the job as a fresher, Jay. Even these Vinay is like if you see the reception, you can see some posters where people are looking for freshers, MSP and Power BI freshers who just got trained. Yes. Right. Right. So it's not opening somehow, right? I don't know. Right. Okay. Right. So this is just best combo only MSBI. Okay. But you get out of 10, you get 6 to 7 calls for MSBI, but you can get more number of calls if you put Power BI knowledge as well. Right? So opportunities would be more. That's what I mean to say. Right. Sir, how about the duration part? Sir, for SSIS, it takes 20 to 25 hours a day. SSRS, it takes 12 to 15 hours. Even SSAS also takes the same part. It could be approximately 50 to 55 hours is nothing but 2 months a day, by excluding Sundays. Saturday we will be having long hours Sunday, 2 hours minimum. So we can, because I have no office, so I can sit for long hours to cover more things actually. Either that could be SQL or else MSBI or else any other doubts you have, anything. But sir, I'm promising you, SQL is not part of our MSBI, sir. It's a separate course altogether. But I'm promising you, I would like to give few advanced SQL part for 2 to 3 hours a day. At least for a weekend. What I'm going to cover? Stored procedures. That is my core area, right? Because the moment when I start MSBI, I started learning stored procedures and queries because that is mandatory. If you go for job, guys, listen. If you go for a job interview, 50% could be on SQL optimization tips, best practices, right? And then the remaining 50% could be on like MSBI. That is the percentage ratio. Stored procedures, right? Dynamic stored procedures, SPs, views, and materialized views. Materialized views. I'll be covering all these 4 only, which are really important. If required, I'll cover CTS. It's all timed, okay? Common table expressions. Okay, guys, this is completely out of scope and interest to chapter, right? It's all for a better relationship and nothing else. I'm not going to charge for that. It's free of cost on a Sunday. Is there any data migration or data integration project? Yes, we're going to explain the project as well. Project. ETL end-to-end project, which is running on the production environment, right? ETL project. And that takes 2 to 3 hours. Yes. Can you please tell me when will SQL Server batch starts? I'll join along with this. Okay, sure, Pawan. I'll let you know. Sure, Pawan. Can we get a hands-on experience with this process? Obviously, Andy. Okay. Kranti, listen. What I'm going to cover as part of the project. As part of the project, I'll be walking through the mapping document. I'll be walking through the mapping document. How does the mapping document looks like, right? I changed my laptop and I don't know whether we have it or not. But this is the total material. I think that is another laptop. Okay, fine, no problem. I'll be explaining. Yes, you will be getting hands-on experience. Kranti, this is how it works. See, after completion of BI, like MSBI course, you will be up to certain level. Now, after project, you will be in a different level. Hope I answered your question. Okay. Any other questions? Yes. With this course content, will you be able to crack the interview and survive in market 4+? Yes, Santosh. That is the main motto actually. You can put up to 5 years. After 5 years, everyone will be doing the same experience, same thing. But time matters. For example, if I complete a task in 2 hours, you will be completing the task in 5 to 6 hours, right? But exposure would be the same. And yes, on-premise to cloud or cloud to on-premise to on-premise, cloud to migration project will be discussed. No, Ramakrishna, it's completely out of scope. That comes under ADF, Azure Data Factory. That is a separate batch altogether, which is currently running on. No, Ramakrishna, it's not part of our course. Yes, Ramakrishna. Yes, you are saying. See, that's what. We have separate faculty who takes care of SQL, and I take care of total MSBI and Azure BI. And Power BI takes care by Institute Owner Vinay, right? So now, SQL sir and myself will be always on sync. So he explained a concept, and I explained related to that particular concept. So that is how we both coordinate actually, right? If you, for example, offline batches are in Hyderabad, yes, in Hyderabad, yes. Okay, see, our offline friend was asking a question, right? If you go for first SQL, that takes 1 month to 45 days. And then if you start MSBI, that takes 2 months. What is the total tenure? 3.5 months. Just to learn, you are efforting 3.5 months. To get expertise, 1 more month or 2 more months. So it's nothing but almost half the year. So if you learn both the things simultaneously, it will be completed in 2 months. To get the expertise in another 1 month, maximum 3 months. So you are going to reduce the total time by half. But you need to put much efforts. That is very much mandatory, right? For any tool, we need to put our efforts, right? Right. Friends, we have, see, listen, I have been giving my best and honestly saying, I'm not bluffing you, right? So this is my more than 12 years, Andy. More than 12 years in teaching, right? So I have been giving my best. That's the reason I could be able to sustain in the market. You can happily associate with us. I will be continuing the same tempo till end of the course as well. I would like to make it as a more interactive. Please, I think I need to restart my machine. I think there is a problem with me, right? I need to restart my machine so that things will be settled down. Yes. And tomorrow, I think, I don't know when are we going to have the session next one, like either tomorrow or Wednesday. Let me get back to you on this now itself, Amma. Now itself. 1 second, please. 1 second, please. I'm going to stop the recording.